Next, we'll look at creating a pattern as well as using different layer blending modes. Start by going to the Layer menu and selecting New Layer. Name this layer Pattern and fill it with transparency, and then click OK. Make the Bucket Fill tool active by going to Tools, Paint Tools, and Bucket Fill. In the tool options on the left side, you will see multiple choices for the fill type. In this case, we want to use the Pattern Fill option, so click there, and the box below it will appear visible. Click the box, and you will see a variety of pattern choices. They are arranged in alphabetical order, and in this case we want to use the Marble number 1 option, which is around the middle of the selections. With the Marble number 1 pattern fill selected, click inside the canvas to fill the pattern layer with your chosen pattern. Next, go to the View menu, choose the Zoom submenu, and select 100%. With the view zoomed in, you can see the pattern more clearly. Let's say you wanted to try and give this pattern a different color. With the Bucket Fill tool active, change the fill type back to Foreground Color Fill in the tool options. Then select a color using the active foreground color box that you would like to use to fill the pattern. Then click on the canvas like normal. You may notice that it doesn't quite have the desired effect, and you can use the Edit menu and the Undo feature and click in different spots to try and fill the pattern, but using this tool does not give the desired look or outcome. So go to Edit again and choose Undo so that you get back to the normal pattern color. Instead of trying to use the Bucket Fill tool for this, we will use another approach. Start by going to the Layer menu and choosing New Layer. Name this layer Color and fill it with transparency and click OK. Now make the Bucket Fill tool active again and select your color. Click on the canvas to fill the color layer with your chosen color. Since the color layer is situated above the pattern layer, it currently obscures the view of the pattern. But we will change that using layer modes. In the Layers panel, at the top you'll see Mode Normal. Click the downward arrow to the right, and a list will appear of different options. You can experiment with many of these options to see how they affect your image, but you may wish to try modes such as Multiply, Burn, Overlay, and Hard Light, just to give you some different ideas of what these modes can do and how they can affect the look of your pattern. Below the mode box, you'll see the opacity slider. You can also click to adjust the value of this box, with smaller numbers making your current layer more transparent. And a value of 100 means it is fully opaque. You can use the combination of layer modes, opacity levels, and different colors of layers with different styles of patterns to create all sorts of looks. To view your image fully again, go to the View menu, choose the Zoom submenu, and then the Fit Image in Window option. This makes it so the entire canvas is visible on the screen, showing you the full view of the image.